What's up, guys?
What's up?
What's going on?
Just swerved out the road.
Huh?
Swerved out the road.
Who did?
Me.
You were driving?
No, I was driving.
Huh?
The tires are fucked up.
Alright.
Tires.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna need you to come out of the vehicle and talk with me then.
We good. What? We good. What?
Yeah, you're not good. Don't worry about that, man. We're gonna talk with her.
No, I'm saying, what are we getting stopped for?
You drove off the roadway.
Yeah, but
Our tires fucked up.
Yeah. Okay.
and we can't get towed out.
Yeah, we'll help you get towed out. That's no problem, but we gotta find out what's going on first. Just hang out back here with me. Alright, so tell me what happened.
My tires.
Do you need to rest on the vehicle?
The rest.
Do you need to rest on the vehicle? Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Not that much, but my car been up. Like, I'm finna move out to my mom's house and stuff like that.
Okay.
And
So-
it just been breaking down. Like, it don't, I don't know, like, if it's just what's going on, but like everything it's just been coming to like a crash. Like everything has just been coming to a crash.
Okay. Okay, so we're I just need someone to come and talk to the male subject. So you were coming this way? Which way were you coming? Huh?
This way.
You were coming this way?
This way.
You coming from there?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean when she talks? She has to talk to me.
No, she does.
Yes, she does.
Hey, you don't have to talk to her.
Okay. What's the matter? What's going on? All right, let's walk back here.
I'm trying to make sure she cool.
How would she not be cool?
Is she crying?
Yeah, because you know she messed up. That's why. Come on, let's walk up here. So, have you had anything else today other than alcohol? No? I'm worried about you and your
I don't want
intoxication
to pay $5.
level.
I don't want to pay $5. I don't want to pay $5.
I mean,
Okay. I'd like to do an eval, probably best.
yeah.
I had to pee.
I'll go back. We'll let you pee back at the station.
No,
I'll take her right here,
I
dude.
don't
That's all
want
right.
to pee.
Oh, okay. Yeah, don't worry about that.
I don't want to pee on myself in the car.
The station's right
I
there.
want to pee.
You're not gonna.
wanna pee.
You're not gonna pee right here.
The station's right
No,
there.
I want. Y'all can take her out.
DUI.
The station's right there.
Is that Kia?
According to her.
What's her name?
I don't know her name yet.
I have to pee.
Her picture kind of
Let
looks
me
like
pee.
Man, there's no place out here. I gotta take you to the station to pee.
Let me pee right there.
No.
I swear, I don't want to pee on myself.
Let's go.
I don't want
can't
to
let you pee
on
right here.
myself. I
We'll
do
get you.
not.
No place.
We'll get you back to the station. You can pee.
I do not want to.
We're
Y'all
right
gonna
there.
take forever. I do not want to pee on.
We're not gonna.
Please.
You're
I'm not
making it
even
take
trying. I'm
longer.
not. I swear, I'm lying. I swear, I put on my life. I put on my kids. Please.
I can't let you
do not.
pee here.
I have to pee. I don't want to pee on
Get in
myself.
the car.
Damn, it's right there. The quicker you get in the car, the quicker you can pee.
I don't
That's the station.
want to pee on myself.
Get in. We'll take you back.
Damn,
You'll pee at the
I'll take you to
station.
the toilet. It's right there.
We'll be there in 1
30
minute.
minutes.
1 minute. It's right there. 1
You
minute.
can see it from here. Ma'am, sit down, please.
1 minute. We'll be there. I need your name. What's your name?
Man.
What is your name? You'll get more charges. If you don't give me your name. What is your name?
Excuse me.
What is your name?
I need my boyfriend.
Okay. You'll just get more
I
charges.
need my
You want more
boyfriend.
charges?
Why?
What do you mean why? Because you need to identify yourself.
Okay. And,
So tell me your
What
name.
law is that? So I need to identify myself.
Oh my
What law is that?
Okay.
What law? Because I got stuck in the middle of
Arizona
the road,
law.
and my car is not working.
Oh, you're driving under the influence.
I wasn't driving. Why? I was not driving. My boyfriend was driving. Why you sitting over there saying I was driving under the influence?
Okay. All right. Get your foot inside.
No, I'm
Put your
not.
foot inside.
I'm not.
Put your foot
Who is
inside.
the police right there? I want to speak to your manager.
Ma'am,
No, because at this point, no. I
thought you had a
PTO
pee.
manager. Yeah, at this point I don't. You know why? Because it's a bunch of bullshit.
Okay.
Man, we're
Good. Put
explaining
your foot
to you
inside.
No.
Put your foot inside. I'll put it
I'm
inside
not.
for you.
No, don't touch me.
Yeah, I will.
Do not touch me because I got a camera on me. Yeah, go
We
ahead.
both have cameras.
Cameras
We all have cameras on
Please
me.
put
So,
your foot-
no, I don't want to put.
Get back inside. Get your foot inside.
Fucking ass.
Alright. That's one way to do it. Here, I'm just gonna put her in the cell, man.
Obviously. I think we should try to read admin per se, but I don't think she wants to talk.
I got it.
Whoa!
I don't care.
Put your shoe on.
No,
Okay.
I don't care.
Alright, let's go.
You start up here and play with me.
Let's go.
Play with you.
Let's get out.
Go ahead and drag me out. Put it on your camera. Where your camera at?
It's right here.
Yeah,
It's been
right
here the
there.
whole
It's
time.
rolling.
That's right, what?
It's rolling.
It's been rolling the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, we really don't want to have to drag
It's
you out
not
of the
even
car.
hard to drag me out. You did that on purpose.
No, we don't want to.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
no, you a you shouldn't even be in there. I hope they die. I hope your wife die. I hope your mama die. I hope everybody die in your family. You hear me? I hope your wife die. I hope your mama die.
Stop.
I hope your wife and your mama die. You finna die. You finna die. You don't know? Yeah, I don't care. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, boy.
Hello. Just give us a sec. You can come in.
So, she claims she's going to pass out on the way over. She's ready to pass out. And then we get here, she's fighting us. So, I don't know if you're going to be able to look at her, but that's why I called, because on the way over there, she's screaming in the back that she's about to pass out.
Sounds like she's about to pass out.
Yeah. Okay, we'll sit up.
We'll sit down.
That's one way to do it.
Ma'am, they're just going to check you out, make sure you're okay.
Yeah, no, hold on.
You still feel like passing out?
Hold on.
Alright, still feel like passing
Hold
out?
on.
So what's her story?
Thank you guys for your help today. DUI. Yeah. Just a different DUI hates us.
Mom.
We're gonna check your sugar, okay?
Don't touch me.
We're just gonna check your sugar.
Don't touch me. Watch out. Watch out. Get off of me.
We're just checking your
Get
sugar.
off of me.
We're just checking
I
your
don't
sugar.
care. Get off of me.
Ma'am, relax.
Get off of me, because if I get off these girls, I'm going to beat your ass.
Well, you're not, so just chill out.
Hey, quit that.
We're done.
Stop kicking. I think it's marijuana,
Or something
because
else.
that usually gets this reaction.
We don't, hold on.